Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video you will be talking about how to calculate IRR in Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's get started. To calculate the IRR, the required formula is here. You can see. Now we will type the required formula. First of all, equal sign, then IRR, first bracket. Then we need values. The values is here. All of those values. Select all of those and then comma and guess. Here guess is capital cost. Click on it and close the bracket. Hit enter. Here is the IRR. Now we will now we will calculate the IRR for the second project V. It will be the same process, equal sign IRR, first bracket, and all of those values, select all of those, comma, then the capital cost 12% and close the bracket, hit enter. Here is the IRR. So thank you for watching. uh, Hope this video will be helpful for you, and see you in the next one.